It's Monday in Atlanta, and we're officially on the clock for Red Hat Summit 2026. Registration is open, badges are printing, and we're talking to people about what brought them here this year.
I mean, I'm actually excited about anything and everything AI. Definitely a lot of the stuff with AI sovereignty, because that's a lot of what I deal with.
My focus here mainly is learning more about Ansible automation platform and the OpenShift platform. I don't do a lot of virtualization, but I'm hoping to learn a lot about it here.
Virtualization is huge, right? I'm going to be here and learn a bit more about the OpenShift virtualization roadmap and where it's going to go from here.
As you know, so much going with AI bringing to the table in business. We want to see how much that can make a difference to our day-to-day business.
I love the Ansible solutions. I love it. And the connection with the people, this time is for this.
A lot to explore, a lot to learn, really. Exploration that I can do anytime. Learning specifically about AI, about RHEL and AI stuff can only really happen here. That's why I came to the summit.
The environment itself is just charged up. Look at this place, everybody's excited. So I'm so happy to be here and I'm happy to learn.
I love the energy. Whatever you're excited about seeing, whether it's our labs, community day, product spotlights, networking opportunities, or our keynotes, we're bringing you all the action on our YouTube and social media channels. Subscribe now for full keynote live streams, deep dives, and exclusive coverage all week long. We'll see you soon.